Selenium automation testing. Real-time scenario-based Selenium automation testing interview questions and answers Part 4. Scenario 1. Visual regression testing. Question 1. How do you implement visual regression testing using Selenium? Answer. Integrate with tools like Applitools, Percy, or open-source libraries like Resemble.js or Selenium Screenshot Comparison. Capture baseline screenshots and compare with current runs pixel by pixel. Scenario 2. Selenium Grid with Docker. Question 2. How do you set up Selenium Grid using Docker for parallel test execution? Answer. Use Docker Compose with Selenium Hub and Node images, Chrome or Firefox. Define services in Docker Compose.yml and update your test scripts to connect via remote WebDriver. Scenario 3. Custom reporting framework. Question 3. How do you design a custom test reporting framework for Selenium? Answer. Use libraries like Extent Reports or Allure. Customize reports by embedding screenshots, logs, and test metadata. Implement listeners, iTestListener or iReporter in TestNG to hook into test lifecycle. Scenario 4. Integrating BDD with Selenium. Question 4. How do you implement BDD using Cucumber with Selenium? Answer. Write feature files in Gherkin syntax. Create step definition files linked to each scenario. Use Cucumber runner classes to execute scenarios. Combine with Page Object Model to maintain scalability. Scenario 5. Smart Wait Strategies. Question 5. What are advanced wait strategies beyond explicit and implicit waits? Answer. Fluent wait, customize polling frequency, timeout, and exceptions to ignore. Wait WebDriver, wait equals new fluent wait driver. Dot with timeout, duration dot of seconds, 30. Dot polling every, duration dot of seconds, 5. Dot ignoring, no such element exception dot class. Leverage custom retry mechanisms, or even AI-based waits, in tools like Testim.io or Tricentis. Scenario 6. Handling browser console log question. Question 6. How can you capture and assert on browser console logs in Selenium? Answer. Use the Logging Preferences API in Chrome Options to fetch logs of type browser and verify them as needed. Scenario 7. Accessibility testing with Selenium. Question 7. How can you perform accessibility validation using Selenium? Answer. Integrate Selenium with Axcore library via Ax Selenium Java to scan pages for accessibility issues, WCAG standards. Scenario 8. Handling infinite scroll. Question 8. How do you test pages with infinite scrolling? Answer. Use JavaScript Executor to scroll until no new content is loaded. JavaScript Executor JS equals JavaScript Executor driver. Long last hide equals long js.executescript return document.body.scroll height. While true. js.executescript window.scroll to 0 document.body.scroll height. Thread.sleep 2000. Long new height equals long js.executescript return document.body.scroll height. If a new height equals last height, break. Last height equals new height. Scenario 9. Performance metrics validation. Question 9. How can you collect and assert performance metrics during UI tests? Answer. Use Chrome DevTools Protocol, CDP, to capture performance data. DevTools equals has DevTools driver dot get DevTools. DevTools dot create session. DevTools dot send performance dot enable optional dot empty. List metrics equals DevTools dot send performance dot get metrics. Validate metrics like first meaningful paint, JS heap use size, etc. 10. Handling unexpected pop-ups during tests. Question 10. How do you handle unexpected pop-ups or modal windows that appear during execution? Answer. Use try-catch blocks with short waits to detect and close pop-ups, or configure global hooks in test frameworks to handle such interruptions gracefully. Scenario 11. Implementing page load synchronization. Question 11. How do you ensure complete page load before interaction? Answer. Use JavaScript to check document readiness. New WebDriver wait, driver, duration of seconds 10, until. WebDriver dash, JavaScript executor, WebDriver. Execute script, return document ready state equals complete. Also, wait for network calls or AJAX to settle using JS-based conditions if needed. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more hands-on QA and automation content. Keep learning, keep growing.